Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, you can't access this shared folder because your organization's security policies block fix. First method is type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar, click gpedit.msc. Click and expand Administrative Templates under Computer Configuration. Click and expand Network, click and expand Landman Workstation. Open Enable Insecure Guest Logons, change to Enabled. Update Group Policy. Second method is type regedit in Windows search bar, click regedit. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand system, click and expand current control set, click and expand services. Click and expand Landman Workstation, click Parameters. Create new DWORD 32-bit value named as Allow Insecure Guest Auth, change value data to 1. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.